Another 5 hidden, or not commonly known, Mercedes features. Volume 3. Just a quick thank you before I start the video to everyone who supported the channel by subscribing, liking the videos and leaving comments. Now, you guys have really helped the channel grow and encouraged me to keep creating more content. Cheers. We've all been there, haven't we? You get out your car and lock it, only to realise that either yourself or one of your passengers has left one of the windows or the sunroof still open. All you need to do is simply hold down the lock button on the key fob and within 1 metre point it towards the infrared sensor on the driver's door. This will close all the open windows as well as the sunroof. Additionally, you can do the opposite and open everything to the previous setting by simply holding down the unlock button on the key fob. This is extremely useful on a hot day when you want to expel all the hot cabin air before you get in. As virtually all the roads these days are just full of traffic jams, especially here in the UK, we spend over half the time driving with a foot pressed firmly down on the brake pedal. Now, did you know that you can get your Mercedes to hold the brake down itself, allowing you to rest your weary right foot, even with the car left in drive? Here's how to activate this cool feature. With your foot already pressing the brake pedal, simply press it down again until you see hold appear at the bottom of the instrument cluster. Now you can completely remove your foot away from all the pedals and the car will keep the brake supplied for you. Now all you need to do to get the car moving once again is just tap your foot on the accelerator pedal. So, it's a real hot day, you lock your car and you leave it with the sunroof open. However, later on it starts to rain and the interior of your car is going to get damaged. Don't worry, Mercedes has already thought of this. Should the rain sensor on the front windscreen detect any water, it'll automatically close the sunroof, as I'm now going to demonstrate with this bottle of water. Now it's worth noting that the car will automatically shut the sunroof anyway after around 5 hours. Now here's a strange one. On the W211 E-Class and the 219 CLS models with the 4-zone climate controls, and that's the version with the climate control also in the rear, there's a hidden engineering menu. To access this, you simply hold down the rest button as well as the off button for around 5 seconds until you see 00 on the left hand side of the screen. To toggle through the different options, use the temperature up and down buttons on the left hand side. Now don't press the ones on the right hand side, as this will adjust the values and could potentially cause some issues with your climate control. Check the video description for what all the numbers relate to and what the different values mean. Now to return the climate control back to the standard screen, simply hold down the rest button and the off button once again for around 5 seconds. Now as always, I'm going to end on a real simple one. We all know that you can open the boot lid via the button located on the driver's door. However, did you know that if the boot lid close option fitted to your car, you can also close it from within the driver's door as well? Simply press and hold the switch forwards towards the front of the car while the lid closes. Now it's amazing how many people who have got this option fitted to the car still don't know that you can do it from while inside the car. Now it's also worth noting that cars from 2013 onwards, you can also do this on the key fob by holding down the boot open button. And that brings us to the end of volume 3. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click on that like button, and if you haven't done already, click on the subscribe button and bell icon to make sure you're notified of all future videos that I upload. Also, make sure you check out my other content on the channel, my various how-to videos and feature videos. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, cheers.